Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain frequency densities using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. This add-in is available at my GitHub account, so if you go over there you can download this file, the XLAM. Once you've downloaded the file, open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins and click on the Go button. Then browse to the downloaded file and install the add-in. That gives you access to a lot of additional functions I made, and one of those is tab, short for tables, frequency, bins. So I have some example data in column A, and this function takes as input, of course, the data, which should be a vertical range, but don't select an entire column, really specify from, for example, A2 all the way to, in my case, as you can see, 1970. You can, if you want, specify how many bins you actually want to use, or you can use a specific method. I have a separate video on my function tab number of bins with tons of different methods that can be used. You can also provide, if you want, a small set of lower and upper bounds. You can either include the lower bound or use the upper bound to be included, and a small adjustment so you can guarantee that all scores will fit actually into a bin. Now if I just use the default settings, I only need the data, which I've done over here, and as you can see it actually returns a whole array, a whole range of values, showing the lower bound, the upper bound, the frequency for each of these, and then the frequency density. Now the frequency density is actually nothing else than the frequency divided over the bin width. So it would be 143 divided over, in this case, 6. Now that gives you an indication of how dense this group actually is. If you want to provide your own bins, that's also an option. So you can use table frequency bins and then just the same array. And then I specified here my lower and upper bounds. And as you can see, it then also nicely returns a small frequency table, including the frequency density. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.